Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you are aware, my channel is changing. I don't know what it's going to change to, probably how DIY stuff. So yeah, but I'm going to show you how to knit. So I'm going to show you how to cast on, cast off in other videos. So here I've started, and all you do, it's right, sorry, let me just get comfy. So ignore my nails, I'm going to redo them. So here, place it near the tip, I'd say around 1 centimetre. Put it through this hole here. That one, that large one. Tighten it a little bit. Go round here. Yeah? So if you look up, round this one. The furthest one away from you, this way. There. Once you're there, go into like that. So you're from there, go there, and you'll see that there's a hole there. Put this needle on your right through that hole, so you're left with that, and then push this hole off. Yeah, so that's one. I'll show you again. So put it through the loop hole there, this one, grab this string here, round the back here, under that loop there, and over. Again, one more time. So this is probably the most trickiest bit, getting it through which hole you meant to. Don't put it through this one, you put it through the hole that's attached to the needle. So I'll give you a closer look. This hole there. Wrap it through here. Grab it like that. Pull it through, under, and cast off the loop. So this is how it should look. There you go. And that has done the, I don't know what it's called, these stitchy things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful. I hope to do an easier updated version soon, when I realise what all the names are called. Bye guys.